Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows computer turns off by itself randomly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on how to do it, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in Advanced. Best match should come back with View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath Startup and Recovery, System Startup, System Failure, and Debugging Information, select Settings. Where it says Automatically Restart, uncheck this option, and then select OK. Once you know what that, go ahead and close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. See your view by two large icons, and then select Power Options. On the left side, select where it says Choose what the power button does. If you see an option underneath Shutdown Settings for Fast Startup, you want to uncheck that. So in order to uncheck that, if the option's available, you would want to select Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and then you would uncheck the Fast Startup option, and then you would save changes. And then after you've done both of those items, I would recommend restarting your computer. And then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your issue. So one further thing we can try as well, if you're still having the problem, would be to open up the search menu and type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. So go ahead and open that up. And you want to expand the mice or keyboard section depending on where you're having the issue with. So maybe it's your mouse or it's your keyboard. But if you want to prevent that device from waking your computer up upon a restart, you may want to consider expanding it and then right-clicking on whatever item is creating the problem and then selecting Properties. And you would select the Power Management tab. I don't have one because I'm in a virtual environment, so some things are not normal in this environment. So anyway, I'm going to actually expand underneath the Universal Serial Bus controllers and then the USB hub. But in your case, more likely than not, you would look underneath keyboards or mice or maybe other pointing devices, but you can check other devices in here as well. And you would select Power Management. And then where it says allow this device to wake up the computer, you would uncheck that option if it was checkmarked and then select OK. Please note that if you use that device in order to wake up your computer when it's in sleep mode, so if you tap your mouse or your keyboard and then your computer screen turns back on, by unchecking that option, it won't work anymore. So just keep that in mind, and you would select OK to save any changes. And then you would need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.